In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image zoom hover effect on Wix. If you're looking to enhance your website's interactivity and add a touch of professionalism, this effect is a fantastic way to engage your visitors. Let's get started. First, we'll want to add an element to your page. As you look at the left side of your Wix editor, you'll see a handy menu where you can find all sorts of elements to add to your site. From here, select Box, and then go ahead and choose a hover box. The hover box is a great tool that allows you to add interactive effects to any part of your website easily. Simply drag and drop it wherever you want on your site. Now, the hover box might have some elements that you don't need for this particular effect. Feel free to delete those extra elements to keep your design clean and focused. Customization is key. You can tailor it to your site's aesthetic and functionality. After trimming down unnecessary elements, it's time to set the image that you want to display. Click on the box, and you'll have the option to change the image to whatever you prefer. Select an image that aligns with the message or vibe of your page to maintain a cohesive look. Once you've set your image, click on it again. If you look closely at the top of your screen, you'll notice an option for Hover. This is where the magic happens. Click on Hover, and a menu will appear, allowing you to choose your desired effect. From that list, you can select the Grow effect, which is perfect for creating a zoom hover effect that we want. After selecting the Grow effect, you'll see a button labeled Customize. This is where you can fine-tune how much you want your image to zoom. You can adjust the settings here to decide how large the image gets and where it starts to expand when someone hovers over it. The customization options give you a chance to fit the effect seamlessly into your site's design. Once you've finished editing and are happy with how it looks, it's always a good idea to test it out. You can do this by switching to the Preview mode. This lets you see the effect in action, as though you were a visitor on your site. And there you have it. You've successfully added an image zoom hover effect to your Wix page. This little interaction can make a huge difference in how users engage with your content. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with different settings until you find the perfect fit for your website. Thank you for watching, and enjoy that fresh, interactive look on your Wix site.